Are you tired of sacrificing your favorite smoothie because you're on a ketogenic diet? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can enjoy delicious, nutritious smoothies without derailing your keto plans. In fact, some of the best smoothies are naturally keto-friendly. In this video, we will explore 10 of the very best keto smoothies that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also align with the principles of a low-carb, high-fat lifestyle. Get ready to discover new flavor combinations and learn how to make smoothies that are both keto-friendly and packed with nutrients. Number 1. Triple Berry Avocado Smoothie. This smoothie is a perfect blend of sweet and creamy. It includes a variety of berries such as strawberries and raspberries, which are lower in carbs than other fruits. The avocado adds healthy fats and fiber, making it a filling and nutritious choice for breakfast or a snack. Number 2. Chocolate Peanut Butter Smoothie. Indulge your sweet tooth with this chocolate peanut butter smoothie. By using unsweetened cocoa powder and almond milk, you can enjoy a rich and decadent drink that aligns with your keto goals. Peanut butter provides protein and healthy fats, keeping you satisfied and energized. Number 3. Strawberry Zucchini Smoothie with Chia. Now this might sound unusual, but adding zucchini to your strawberry smoothie can be a game changer. It adds a unique texture and a mild flavor that complements the sweetness of the strawberries. Chia seeds provide a boost of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Number 4. Coconut Blackberry Mint Smoothie. This refreshing smoothie is perfect for a hot day. The combination of blackberries, fresh mint leaves, and full-fat coconut milk creates a tropical paradise in your glass. It's a delightful way to stay hydrated and enjoy some natural sweetness. Number 5. Lemon Cucumber Green Smoothie. If you're looking for a light and hydrating smoothie, look no further. This green smoothie combines cucumber, spinach, and flax seeds for a refreshing and nutritious drink. With only about 5 net carbs, it's a great option for a midday pick-me-up. Number 6. Cinnamon Raspberry Smoothie. This smoothie is a cozy blend of flavors. Cinnamon adds warmth and natural sweetness, while raspberries provide a burst of fruity goodness. Almond butter and greens help balance the flavor and provide additional nutrients and healthy fats. Number 7. Strawberries and Cream. This classic combination is a match made in heaven. Heavy cream adds richness and indulgence without the carbs. This smoothie tastes like a delectable dessert, but it's a keto-friendly treat that satisfies your sweet cravings. Number 8. Chocolate Cauliflower Smoothie. Cauliflower might not be the first ingredient you think of when it comes to smoothies, but it can add a surprising creaminess to your drinks. Frozen cauliflower is a great way to sneak in some extra vegetables, and cocoa powder gives it that rich, chocolatey kick. Number 9. Pumpkin Spice Smoothie. This seasonal favorite is a must-try. Pumpkin puree, almond butter, and warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg come together to create a comforting and cozy drink that's perfect for fall. Number 10. Key Lime Pie Smoothie. This tangy and dessert-like smoothie is a true crowd pleaser. Cashews, coconut, and lime juice combine to transport you to a tropical paradise. It's the perfect way to end a meal or satisfy your sweet tooth. There you have it, 10 of the very best keto smoothies to tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Remember, the key to a successful keto diet is to choose foods that are low in carbs and high in fats. By following this simple rule, you can continue to enjoy smoothies as part of a balanced and healthy lifestyle.